In this lesson, we will talk about marker annotations. Marker annotations in Java don't contain any element. They are used to provide a tag or marker to the code. Now, they are used to indicate that a particular element could be a class, method, or variable has a special property or could be treated in a special way by the tools or libraries that are processing the code. You have seen a couple of these before. For example, the deprecated annotation is a marker annotation, and we use this to indicate that a method should no longer be used and could be removed in future versions. Now, when you use this, the compiler will generate a warning if the method is called and alerting the programmer that this method should be avoided. If you notice there are no members in this annotation, we will use it to mark the renovate method. In our code, we can then check using reflection to confirm if the annotation is present or not. Typically, you will perform an operation depending on if the annotation is present or not. In our example, we will just print out a statement if it is present. When we get the method object, we can call isAnnotationPresent. The IDE is giving us a warning that the annotation isn't retained for reflective access. In summary, it's just saying that we need to annotate it to be available at runtime. So we fix that. If the annotation is present, the if statement will be executed.